Seventh chapter, trigonometric equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A part 4. Last part completed impounded 4 marks problem by using general solution of trigonometric equations. Today also we explained similar way, same formulas trigonometric equations. First one is solve the following equations. Square root of 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2. This is the question. In this problem, you can convert it to what? Multiplying on both sides. Multiplying on both sides 1 by 2. Multiplying on both sides 1 by 2. You get what? 1 by 2 into root 3 sin theta minus 1 into cos theta. You can write 1 into cos theta nothing but cos theta is equal to root 2 into 1 by 2. This multiplied interact, you get what? Root 3 by 2 into sin theta minus 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into cos theta equal to root 2 by 2. After that, you can write sin theta into root 3 by 2 minus cos theta into 1 by 2. You can take first sin angle after the root 3 by 2. First cos after that 1 by 2. Root 2 by this 2 can be written as root 2 whole square root get cancelled. Here next square root get cancelled, you get 2 only. That's why you can write this is square root of 2 whole square. Square root get cancelled, you get 2. This square root get 1 square root get cancelled. Here sin theta into, here you can write root 3 by 2 in terms of cos. Cos which angle root 3 by 2? Cos which angle root 3 by 2? Cos 30. Nothing but cos 30, nothing but 5 by 6 minus cos theta into this 1 by 2 you can write in terms of sin. Sin which angle 1 by 2? Sin 30, you can write sin 5 by 6 is equal to 1 root to get cancelled, remaining you get 1 by root 2. Similarly you can write sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. What is the value of A here? Here A value is theta. Here also A value is theta. B value is pi by 6. B value is pi by 6. Pi by 6 radius is equal to 30 degrees. You can write degrees or radian angle, that is your wish. That's why you can write sin of A minus B. Theta minus A value, B value is pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 2. This can be written as sin of theta minus pi by 6. Here 1 by root 2. Which angle sin 1 by root 2? Sin 45. That's why you can write sin of 45. This pi by 4 is the principal angle. That's why you can write theta value is theta minus pi by 6. This total theta value and the principal angle alpha is pi by 4. After that, if sin theta is equal to k, then the general solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here n belongs to integer. This is the formula of the general solution. This is the formula of sin theta equal to k. What is the value of theta? Theta value is theta minus pi by 6 is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, nothing but principal angle, that is pi by 4. Here we can write theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 4. This minus goes to here, pi by 6 here n belongs to z. This is the general solution of given equation. What is that equation? Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2. General equation, general solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 4 plus pi by 6. This is a repeated problem in IB examination. Next problem is 1 plus sin square theta equal to 3 sin theta into cos theta. This is very important repeated problem. These problems you can read and write formulas perfectly. You get easily understood in this model of problems. What is the problem? 1 plus sin square theta equal to 3 sin theta into cos theta. In this problem you can write this equation dividing on both sides. Dividing on both sides cos square theta. Dividing on both sides cos square theta. You get what? 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta equal to 3 sin theta into cos theta over by cos square theta. Here 1 cos theta get cancelled. Here this is separated. 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Here you can separate the numerator. 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. 3 sin theta by cos theta is there. You know that 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square theta by the second identity of the trigonometry. What is the sin square theta by cos square theta? Second thing, secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. This is used. Here sin square theta by tan square theta nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta nothing but tan square theta. Sin by cos nothing but tan theta. By the second identity of the trigonometry, what is the value of secant square theta? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here you can use which identity? Second identity. That's why you can write in this place 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. After that 1 tan square theta plus tan square theta, you can write 2 tan square theta. This plus 3 tan theta goes to left hand side, minus 3 tan theta. Here constant value is 1 is there. This is the quadratic equation in terms of tan theta. You can write factors. 2 into 1 you get 2, minus 2 into minus 1 you get plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 you get minus 3. That's why you can write 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1 equal to 0. In which two terms, 2 tan theta get common, remaining tan theta minus 1 is there. In this two terms, minus get common, nothing but minus 1 get common, tan theta minus 1. See students, first you can common any value, you can multiply similar or not. 2 tan theta into tan theta, 2 tan square theta, 2 tan theta into minus 1 minus 2 tan theta, minus 1 into tan theta minus tan theta, minus into minus plus 1. In these two terms, tan theta minus 1 get common, remaining what here? 2 tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. After that you can write tan theta minus 1 equal to 0 or 2 tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. Tan theta is equal to 1 or tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta is equal to 1, then tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here you can use two cases. First case 1. Case 1, if tan theta equal to 1, if tan theta equal to 1, case 1, if tan theta equal to tan which angle you get by 1, tan which angle you get 1, tan pi by 4, that's why you can write pi by 4. This is alpha, this is theta. You can write now general solution of tan theta is equal to k is theta equal to n pi plus alpha n belongs to z. In this case, theta equal to what is theta equal to theta n pi plus alpha value is square angle pi by 4. Here n belongs to z. This is the first general solution. This is case 1. After we have to go to case 2. In this case 2, if tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, tan theta 1 by 2 direct angle is not there. That's why you can write theta equal to this tan goes here, tan inverse of 1 by 2. Why? Because tan theta equal 1 by 2 is possible or not? The range of tan theta is a real number. 1 by 2 is a real number. That's why this is possible. But exactly angle is not there. That's why the some angle 50 degrees into 45 minutes in this model is there. That's why you can write theta equal tan inverse of 1 by 2. This is the principal angle alpha. This is the theta. General solution is what? General solution of tan theta is equal to A is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. You can write a similar formula. In this formula, you can write theta equal to n pi plus alpha. In this formula, theta value is once again theta, n pi plus alpha value is tan inverse of 1 by 2. In this case, n value is a integer. Therefore, general solution of this equation, general solution is theta equal to 1. General solution is n pi plus pi by 4, n pi plus pi by 4, and second one is n pi plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. In these two cases, n is on integer. In this way, you can do that. This problem, this is very important problem in 4 marks IB examination. Today, assignment problem or homework problem is, what is that assignment problem today? Sin x plus root 3 cos x equal to root 2. In this assignment problem, some hint is given. You can use that hint. Total problem you can solve with homework. This is first of all dividing on both sides to 1 by 2 into sin x plus root 3 by 2 into cos x is equal to root 2 by 2. After that, you can write first sin x into 1 by 2 plus cos x into root 3 by 2 equal to, here you can write 1 by root 2. After that, sin x into cos 1 by 2, cos which angle 1 by 2? Cos 60 1 by 2. That's why you can write cos pi by 60 value how much? Cos 60 how much? Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to cos pi by 3 cos x into, here also be sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Previous problem model same formula. Sin of A plus B x plus pi by 3 is equal to 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2. You can write sin of x plus pi by 3 is equal to 1 by root 2. What is the 1 by root 2? Which angle? Sin 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4. This is the alpha. This is the theta, this is the alpha. After that, you can write sin theta is equal to k. General solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 over 4 n into alpha. In this formula, n value is a integer. This value, theta value is x plus pi by 3, alpha value pi by 4. You can write in this formula, you get answer of the general solution of the given function, that is sin x plus root 3 cos x is equal to root 2. In these three problems are very important in IB examination. This problem, hint is given, you can do total problem by using this hint. Okay.